Hello and welcome to the VPN Club YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to unblock and use TikTok in Nepal. As you may already know, TikTok is now banned in Nepal. This country indeed banned TikTok and tightened control over all social media platforms. If you are in Nepal or in other countries that ban TikTok and try accessing the service, you will see an error message like this one. I'm not going to talk about the reasons behind the blocking of TikTok in Nepal, but rather focus on the solution to address this issue. Before I show you how to access TikTok in Nepal, I invite you to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications if you enjoy our content. This will mean a lot to us and help us create even more useful content. So, how can you access and use TikTok in Nepal? The short answer is VPN. First, what's a VPN? A VPN is an app that establishes a secure connection between you and the internet. A VPN hides your IP address and replaces it with the IP address of the VPN server you connected to. Once the VPN is active, you no longer have the IP address assigned to you by your internet service provider, but rather the IP address of the VPN server. So, your internet service provider will no longer be able to see which websites you visit or which apps you use, and therefore they won't be able to prevent you from using TikTok. Don't worry, using a VPN is very simple. For example, you can use ExpressVPN to make it look like you are in the US or in another country. I recommend using ExpressVPN because it works very well for unblocking TikTok. Once ExpressVPN is active, your real IP address is masked and replaced by the IP address of the VPN server you are connected to, as I explained earlier. I'll do a quick demo. I start ExpressVPN. I'm showing you from my computer because it's much more convenient, but the process is the same on iOS and Android. I choose a location, the US for example. I click here, it's connecting. It only takes a few seconds and done. I'm now virtually connected to the internet from the US. As you can see, my IP address has been replaced by the IP address of the VPN server located in the US. I've been able to change my IP address in just a few clicks. My internet service provider can no longer see what I'm doing. It no longer has the ability to monitor my activities or prevent me from accessing TikTok. I refresh this page. And there you go, I have access to TikTok. I can now use the service. This is how you can unblock and use TikTok in Nepal or any other country that ban this social media platform. As you saw, to use TikTok in Nepal, you need ExpressVPN. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/express or click on the link located in the description under this video. ExpressVPN is the best VPN on the market right now. It works very well for unblocking TikTok in Nepal. ExpressVPN has over 3,000 servers in 105 countries. It's a secure, reliable and fast VPN, available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and more. You can use it on up to 8 devices simultaneously. No speed limit, no bonus limit, a zero-log policy, very effective for bypassing all sorts of restrictions. ExpressVPN is not free, it's a paid VPN, but it only costs a few dollars per month. With our link, you will get a 49% discount and 3 months free. To summarize, the idea is to use ExpressVPN to hide your real IP address and replace it with the IP address of the VPN server. This will prevent your internet service provider from monitoring your activities. All you have to do is select the US or another country from the list of locations and activate the VPN. That's it. It is that simple. ExpressVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. To get a refund, simply contact their customer service and say that you want to be refunded. That's it. The only condition is that you make the request within 30 days of signing up. Otherwise, it will be too late. That being said, I recommend keeping your subscription as ExpressVPN offers many other benefits in addition to bypassing censorship, such as browsing and downloading privately, enhancing your connection security, getting cheaper flight tickets and video games and more. Don't even think about free VPNs. Free VPNs are unsecured and very slow. They also don't offer unlimited bandwidth. Best to forget about them. This is why I recommend using ExpressVPN, which is by far the easiest and most effective way to unblock TikTok in Nepal. Remember, with our link, you'll get a 49% discount and 3 months free, as well as a 30-day money-back guarantee, so it's absolutely risk-free for you. If ExpressVPN doesn't suit you, I recommend trying NordVPN. NordVPN is a secure, reliable and fast VPN available on Windows, macOS, iOS, Android and more. They have over 5,900 servers in 60 countries. Here is the app, which is quite nice. You can connect to a VPN server from the map or from this menu on the left. Like ExpressVPN, NordVPN is very effective for unblocking TikTok in Nepal. To sign up, visit vpn-club.com/nord or click the link in the description under this video. With our link, you'll get a 69% discount and 3 months free. Like ExpressVPN, NordVPN offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, which means that you can sign up, try the service for several weeks without any limit, and then request a refund if you wish. Alright, that's all for today. You now know how to unblock and use TikTok in Nepal. As you saw, it's very easy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you like this video, if you found it useful, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications. Thank you and see you next time.